Hello everyone, Mandeiya Michael here. You are welcome to a new video on hidden secret features of the all-new famous social media Threads app. Threads is a short content-based platform that is driven by conversation. In as much as this app is gaining over 100 million sign-ups within its first 7 days, only 1% of these users knows about these secret hidden features. Some of these hidden features will improve your user experience on this Thread app. So later on in this video, I'm going to teach you how to upload GIF or GIFs that will inspire you to start interactive conversations for your audience to engage in. I've done a video on how to gain massive followers on Threads. So if you are new on Threads and you hope to get followers fast, I'm going to leave it in a link up here for you to check it out if you haven't seen it. To start with, this app is available on both Android and iOS. So all the hidden features I'm about to share here will work perfectly on both Android or iOS. So without wasting much of your time, let's jump straight into the video. Because Threads is an extension of Instagram, you can easily move to your Thread account from Instagram by tapping on this Thread icon in your Instagram account. And the same way, you can also move back to Instagram by tapping the Instagram icon on your Thread account. This app is in its early days yet, so there isn't too many things going on in its settings. But one thing they did not miss out is the ability to decide who can reply on your threads. To activate this, before you post your threads, click on the button here to set who can reply your post to anyone, profiles you follow, or mention only. Support this channel by subscribing to it, and don't forget to turn on the notification bell so that anytime I post a video, you'll be notified. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. That's your way of encouraging me to keep making videos like this. Now we'll move to Threads shortcut. Simply tap on the return or enter key 3 times. This comes in handy when you want to post multiple threads in bulk. Next on the list is quick follow. To avoid the long process of following someone by clicking on the accounts to follow the person, just click on the plus sign that is attached to the profile picture and you will be able to follow the account. Next on the list, if you don't want to see any more posts from any account, just mute them. End of story. You can also use the search button to look for your favorite personalities to follow. Aside these, there are some similar features from Instagram, like take a break. That is, you set a reminder to take a break when you spend a certain amount of time at once on the Thread app. To do this, go to your profile, tap on settings, click on your account, then you tap on take a break. You can also share your Threads post to your Instagram feed or your Instagram stories. And when you decide to share posts to your Instagram stories, you get a screenshot of your threads on a thread watermark at the background. And to how to post GIFs or GIFs. So if you are using an iPhone, the keypad has inbuilt GIFs in them, so you can easily pick one and use. But if you are using an Android, you would have to go to a GIF website to download it, then you can come and post on your threads. Well, these are the hidden features on Threads at the moment, but Threads is still in its early days yet, so I believe in the near future there will be a lot of interesting features that will be added.